Good morning. Good morning, high school students, boys and girls, and my dear most high school family members. As you all know that we are going through a very challenging time, but at the same time, it's our duty to stay calm and pray for the peace of our country. So here I plan to meet with you all online just to share with you some updates. So when you go for holidays, you are aware that what's going on at school and what's our plan for you for the holidays and the days after the holidays. So welcome to the special assembly. So let's start with a prayer.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
My dear students, let's respect the national anthem.
بحريننا مليكنا رمز الولاء دستورها عالي المكانة والمقام ميثاقها نهج الشريعة والعروبة والقيم عاشت مملكة البحرين بلد الكرام أهل السلام دستورها عالي المكانة والمقام ميثاقها نهج الشريعة والعروبة والقيم عاشت مملكة البحرين.
Good morning again. Welcome back to the assemblies, the special assembly. First of all, at the outset, let me express my sincere thanks to each one of you, my dear most students, for joining the online session. It all happened so suddenly, but it's surprisingly, you all quickly accommodated to the situation. And I'm so hugely thankful to the students and teachers and parents community for quickly adapting to the situation, rising to the occasion. Thank you very much for that. And I am hoping that you guys are really learning and there is no learning loss happening at the moment. And I visited quite a few online classes and I could see that you are really learning and you are ready, you are prepared for the classes on time, your teachers are ready, and that's really a happy news. In the island of Bahrain, I think ours is the first school who started the online learning on time, and all the students are attending, 90% are attending, teachers are teaching. Thank you very much to the whole community for that. Let me share with you some updates regarding the school. As you know, that we will be going on Eid holidays from tomorrow. Tomorrow is March, the last day of learning for you. 2 weeks, it's going to be holidays. We will be resuming the classes on 29th of March. And once you come back for grades 9, 10, and 11, you know that you'll be having the core test getting ready for you. But we have to make sure you are all learning, and the teachers will make sure you are well supported. So no need to worry about the assessments. Just make sure that you are prepared for the test. And for grade 12, you know that 5th of April is the last day for the grade 12s. Non-IB students, their examinations will start on 12th of April, and the IB students, the last day will be 5th of April. They will be having their mock examinations followed by the IB board examinations. So we are going to face an assessment month followed by a lot of activities as well. Inshallah, we just pray and wish that when we come back, things will be very clear and we'll be able to enjoy our school and all the amenities over there. We'll be back as a family again. To give you some other updates, we know that we are awaiting IB evaluation team visit to our school, and you know that we are IB World School, but it's a procedure that the IB team visits our school after some tenure, and they make sure that we are still with the program. We are expanding the program, so it's going to be by the end of March. And our IB teachers and the IB coordinator is fully ready for that. We are just waiting for the team to visit us online. And then we will have our MSc visit also. This is Middle States Accreditation. As you know, 7 years back, our school went through this visit. Again, they will be visiting us in November. And we had informed you that Quality Assurance also will be visiting us, but we are just waiting for the date. So overall, we are ready for international visits, internal visits, and thanks to all of you, the grade 9 and 10, they are going through the IGCSE curriculum. They are really accommodated with the challenges of the curriculum. Thank you very much, grade 9 and 10 students. And 11 and 12 are doing the non-IB curriculum. So they are also really accommodating the standards and practices of the curriculum. So these are all some updates to be given to you. And I have here our Honorable School Director, Mr. Samir. I'll invite him to address you a couple of words. Mr. Samir, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you, Mr. Jita. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. شو أخباركم؟ أموركم طيبة إن شاء الله. أتمنى أنكم تكونوا بألف صحة وسلامة أنتم وعوائلكم إن شاء الله. تحياتي لجميع أولياء الأمور ولطالباتنا. نتمنى أنكم تكونوا بأمان يا رب، ونتمنى الخير لمملكتنا الحبيبة مملكة البحرين بسواعد رجالها وهمة أبطالها إن شاء الله بإذن الله بنكون سالمين غانمين بإذن الله. First of all, I'm so proud of all of you. I'm proud of all the hard work happens last week and this week. As Mr. Sajita said, we are maybe one of the first schools who started online on time. More than 90% attendance from our students, 100% attendance of the staff. I think all of you did a great job. You worked very hard. I think all the teachers, they put that effort during the online classes. They are well prepared using different educational platform. I think everyone worked very hard during this time. Inshallah, we will continue with this. Your well-being, your safety is something very important for us. We wish you all the best, inshallah. And as we know, starting from next week or for the next 2 weeks, we will have our spring holiday and Eid al-Iftar holiday. فرمضان كريم يا رب. الله يتقبل منا القيام والصيام والطاعات يا رب. We will wish you a safe holiday. تحياتنا لجميع الأهل. ربنا ييسر أموركم إن شاء الله. We are so excited to see you inshallah after the holiday inshallah. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. وربنا ييسر أموركم. الله يحفظ البحرين وأهل البحرين وييسر أمور الجميع. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Samir, for your kind words. My dearmost students and teachers, before we close the assembly, special assembly, please stay safe, stay happy. If you have any problem, concern, please make sure you are discussing with your social counselor, Mr. Hassan and Ms. Aisha, Ms. Abrar. And if you have any other problem in logging in or any test issues, assessment issues, please contact your supervisors, Mr. Rayad and Ms. Siham. We all are here to support you. No need to worry about anything. Just take care of your well-being and stay happy. We are proud to be in Bahrain. Thank you very much.